Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage working schedule for Yardforce X50i. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the app. Inside, select time settings. Right here you'll be able to find working time A, working time B and working time C. There's also days of the week that we can click on and switch when our robot will be able to work. So for example, right now I have selected Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And in this example, we're gonna turn off both Saturday and Sunday. That means it won't work on the weekend. We can also move to working time A and switch when will it start. So for example, let's go for 8:44 till 18:52, sorry. And you can do the same with working time B and working time C. When you're ready, click on save and your schedule should be saved. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.